Hi, this is Ravi Ozarkar and video number 7 that explains how to do graphical model review inside GT-STRUDL. Okay, so let's say we have created our GT-STRUDL model. First, I'm just going to click on redraw mode. Okay, I'm on page number 97 of this document, chapter number 9. And first, we're going to take a look at how to create automatic views. Okay. So if you click on more options on the right hand side inside the view pane, uh, there is some predefined views, okay? And we found a mistake in one of these in the model using these view options. Uh, this view option allows you to organize your model nicely. Okay, so and let's say if it becomes very complex, it can allow you to make changes easily in one of these views. Okay. Okay, so how do you create additional views? You can create that using all these options at the bottom. I'm going to show you one option, okay? So it's called the automatic views option. If you click on it and you click on X, let's say, you say generate views, what it does is it actually creates views along the X-axis of the structure. If you click on Y, it'll create two views, okay? As you can see, this is the top and this is the bottom chord. Along the Z, again, it should create two views. Okay, it created four. That's fine, okay? And we just say accept views, and we can close this dialog box and take a look at each of these views, okay? So it's very nice that it actually creates all these views easily for you, so you can go and make changes. Let's say to the bottom chord, you want to add something easily, you can do that. This is at the top chord, and so on. Okay, let's go to the first view, which is the isometric view. So once you have all these views organized, you can take screen prints of it and put it into Word or any other document that program that you actually use for presentation of your final report. Okay, now I'm on page number 102. Okay, and it says select y is equals to 1.7 feet. Okay, now if you click on it, plane number 11, that's 1.7 feet view. Okay, and you can basically take this view, icon, okay, and you can drop it at the center of the screen. What it allows you to do is allows you to have two view panes, right, in the GT-STRUDL graphics. Now let's go in and select the first GT view 2, okay, and press the I button to see an isometric view. Okay, and actually it's the opposite of what's shown on page number 103, but that's fine. Okay, and what it allows you to do is basically annotate the model, right? Now what we want to do is annotate view z is equals to 3.3. Okay, so let's go to z is equals to 3.3. Okay, so that's the view that they want us to have. And what we'll do is we'll just go and click on this button called annotate model, and here we can press on the joints button to, let's say, provide some dimensions between two node points. Okay, so click on joints, click on these two dots at the top chord, okay, and you see a box, right? And you can place that box anywhere. Just left click and you see it's marking it as 22 feet. Okay, if you click on any of these two braces, let's say, it marks the dimension of the brace. Let's say you wanted the dimensions from these two node points, it marks it for you there. Okay, so easily you can go in and annotate things. You can take a screen print of it, okay, and put it into your Word document or anything that you use for presentation of your model. Okay, it allows you to also review the model, because sometimes you might have used the wrong unit system to create the model, and things might not be what you really wanted them to be. Okay, Okay, now let's go in and click on model display icon. Okay, here we're going to take a look at uh, the section names. Okay, if you click on section names here, it actually shows you the section profiles in the graphics on each of these analytical pieces that we have. A better way to see it is to go in and just say, okay, sections, pick the first one, click on mark. So it shows you a marker of where those sections have been assigned in the model. And you say mark, again, you have a different kind of marker for the braces. And if you say 2.0, I don't think we have any of those in this view, but you can do that, okay? Okay, so different ways of presenting things in the graphics. Of course, you can go and click on render, redraw solid, and it'll show you a rendered view of the whole structure, okay? Okay, there are other things that you can use that are not discussed in this um, video. You can just click on results um, and report builder, okay? And what it'll do is it'll allow you to launch a report builder uh, which allows you to create a nice report in Microsoft Word automatically, okay? So that's another option that you can use. In the next chapter, we're going to take a look at how to create supports for this structure using GT menu.